With lots of congestion, colds, and all kinds of buggy things going around, you got to make sure you bring up your immune system the right way. So today on Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen, I'm going to show you a really tasty cocktail. Yes, that's right, I said cocktail, to ward off all the creepy germs, boost up your immunity, give you some antioxidants, some vitamin C, and of course, just make you feel good. So let's get started. Hey everybody, welcome back to Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen. My name is Sonya Paz and I'm your spice master here today. Hey, with all of this craziness and people getting colds and allergies arising and all that good stuff, have you forgotten about your immune system? Well, I know that I tend to do that, and we're gonna get started here on an amazing cocktail that you can drink for this upcoming February Heart Health Month. But before we get started, go below here and click the bell and subscribe so that you can be apprised of when I have new videos coming up here. So, what do we got going on? Well, I'll tell you what we got going on. It's cold and flu season, and there's nothing better than to get your immune system completely rejuvenated. Now, I'm working with pomegranate juice today, and if you are aware, I'm not sure you are aware, but pomegranate juice or pomegranates in general have 3 times more antioxidants than red wine or green tea. So just something to keep in mind when consuming beverages or catching up with your immune system for when you're not feeling well, or to prevent yourself from getting sick. Now, I am not a doctor, nor do I ever claim to be one, but I do know from reading a lot about jalapenos and how they're good for your heart health, and of course, antioxidants in pomegranate juice and in so many citrus fruits like limes and grapefruits and oranges and even pineapple, that you can really get your system rejuvenated. And what better way to do that with a cocktail? So I'm going to show you how we make what I call a spiky pomegranate ginger spritzer. This is super easy, it's refreshing. You can eliminate the vodka if you wish to, but I'm going to show you what I have going on. So today, we are going to add a little bit of Sonya's Sweet and Spicy jalapeno juice to this recipe. So I have good old-fashioned Schweppes ginger ale. You can use Canada Dry, you can also use store-bought brand of ginger ale, it's all good. I have POM pomegranate juice. They do come in different flavors like cherry and some other flavors, but I like the actual just non-mixed up, just straight up from the fruit pomegranate juice. I have also just vodka, whatever. And I've got a little bit of the juice of Sonya's Sweet and Spicy, sweet candied pickle jalapenos. I have some orange slices and a couple straws, my ice, and my glass. So I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing this up. Now, you can add as less or as much alcohol if you want. You can add as less as much pomegranate or ginger ale as you like, but I'm going to show you how I make this. So I've already got everything kind of measured out here. I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. I'm going to add my ice, and this is just because you want it chilled. And it also helps just with mixing everything up, and it's all good. So with my glass full of ice, I'm going to add a little bit of my pomegranate juice, not the whole thing because I have 2 glasses here. I'm going to add just a little bit of the Sonya's Sweet and Spice. That is going to give it a little bit of the sweetness in addition to the already pomegranate sweetness. And of course I'm going to add fresh orange. So I'm going to just go ahead and squeeze some of that right on in there. You can use canned if you like, that's fine. And look at that. It's going to have a nice, beautiful, rich color to it. And I am going to add my ginger ale. Now, ginger is always good for when you're sick or if you have stomach issues. It always makes me feel better when I'm not feeling well. And of course, we're going to add 1 shot of vodka to this. I'm going to take a little straw. We're going to just mix this all up together. I'm going to go ahead and add in a twist of my orange here. Maybe I'll add a little bit more of the pomegranate seeds in there. And this is all done. I'm going to take my straw and I'm going to just give it a little sip, mix it up a little bit here. That is so good. I can feel everything starting to fend off all the germs as I speak. No, I'm kidding. This is something that you can make just for watching movies here in the winter. February is Heart Health Month, so make sure that you are taking care of yourself. If you have any issues with your heart, always check with your doctor. And of course, if you are taking care of somebody and you want to lighten the load and bring them a little cocktail, then that is the way you should rock and roll. That's pretty much it today, everyone. I want to thank you so much for tuning in and help me out with my channel. Go down below, make sure you subscribe. Always comment because I will respond to your comments, and that also helps me out with my channel. Check me out on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All right here at Sonya Sweet Spicy. Check us out online at sonyasweetspicy.com and follow us and check us out. That's it, everyone. Have a great rest of the week, and we will see you later. Gonna finish this drinky. So yummy. So yummy. Bye.